Hello guys, this is BHAVYA and you are watching my presentation. My presentation topic is internet. So let's have a look on the content which I am going to tell you in this video. So the first is what is internet, and second types of internet generation, third sources of internet, and fourth uses of internet. So here we start with our first topic, that what is internet. A global communication computer network providing a variety of information and communication facilities consisting of interconnected network using standardized communication protocols. A net we call the network when all the computers were interconnected by each other. And all over the world there are lots of computers. When they got connected by each other, then it's called as network. So internet. So by using internet we can communicate, and we can do a lots of things using internet. So now here, so now as you can see that there we can imagine that when the internet got made, there is like a berg of iceberg, which we have divided in three parts. First is surface web, which we are using right now. This is the only 10% of the internet. And the second is deep web. A deep web is for the government, which government used to save the country's informations and the lots of things in the internet. And the third is dark web. A dark web is the illegal place of the hackers, which hackers use for doing their illegal work. So now, as surface web, we can use in this we uses the YouTube and the Wikipedia in the surface web, and a lots of things. I am just giving you an example, like we uses our YouTube in the daily basis, Wikipedia daily basis, and WhatsApp, Facebook. These all are comes in the surface. So now here our next tab is types of internet generation. Internet generation means the power of the internet, like that in the 1979, our first generation of wireless calculator technology were made in Japan by Nippon Telegraph, and it was the 1G. We can say the first generation of wireless calculator technology, and then as now we are using the 4G, and in the next year there can be a 5G can also come. There are lots of possibilities that in the next year the 5G can also come. So now the source, I am going to tell you about the sources of internet. So the sources of internet, we can there are lots of sources, but I have chosen these three main sources of internet, like repeater. A repeater, we can say, the which repeat the internet. And a tower by tower means there are lots of tower in the world. The tower do repeat the internet to cover a long distance. And the second is bridge, a bridge, which is having a address of the internet, a reading address. By this address there is a very less traffic in this. There are less traffic, like you can also see your internet IP address in the mobile. And the third is router. In our home, the routers do use to connect different devices at the one time. A router can also be the source of internet, a good source of internet. So here, so now our next tab is, so now we have come in the uses of internet. So as the uses of internet are, we can use the internet in the video conferencing and in the chatting, in the chatting also we can use the internet, and in the searching also, and in the shopping also. And there are lots of things in which we use the internet, but I have chosen these three because these three are the main of the internet which we use in the daily basis. So guys, here is the end of my presentation. I hope that you got to know about the internet and you have the basic knowledge of the internet. So guys, if you got to know, and if my this video is helpful, then thank you guys for watching my full video.